Hello, welcome to Beauty Kitty Studios. I am going to review these Snow Queen nails from GoldFinger. They are Kiss brand. They just say GoldFinger. I don't know if that's it's just something that it's always been out there. I don't know. I just remember these sets from ages ago, but it is the same company. So I always start with nail prep. This is just something I recommend if you actually want your nails to last more than a couple days. If you just want them on for a day, then, skip ahead. You don't need nail prep for that. But if you want them to stay on longer and last and just look better overall, then I do recommend nail prep. I usually start by pushing back the cuticles. I really only cut my cuticles if it's necessary. It's really easy to damage them. So I don't know. That's one of those things where you should just leave that to the professionals unless it's like super gnarly and you need to cut it. And then I clean up the sides, file the sides down, and then I use this little rough sponge and buff the nails gently all around. This will give your adhesive some texture to hold on to. And then finally, just a little dab of rubbing alcohol. This clears away any dirt, debris, or oil that may break up your adhesive. All right, now for the fun part. Let's play with some nails. Okay, so I think I've shown you guys these in other Kiss videos. There's a little notch in your box where your nails are that fits your glue so your glue can stand upright instead of it kind of rolling around and getting glue all over the place. You will see later on that I give up on that because I am completely incapable of using my left hand to do anything. So, whatever, just if it helps, it helps. If not, then, ignore it. So you may, if you've followed me for a while, which by the way, thank you for not bailing on me. I have completely ghosted for almost a year. I don't necessarily have a reason, to be totally honest. It's one of those things where it's like, I don't know. I just got comfortable. I mean, things got kind of hectic for a while. I mean, who's hasn't? Everybody's got stuff going on. But I got to a point where I just was redoing my studio where I film, and then I just kind of got comfortable. I stopped doing my nails, and then it was easier to get more work done, and then it just, I don't know, kind of started slacking on it. But it's time. It's time to be me again and play with some flippin' nails and talk randomly into a microphone on YouTube. So thank you for those of you who have stuck around. I really appreciate you. And for anybody that did comment or question and I didn't respond for a while, that was definitely on accident. I apologize for that. For whatever reason, I just stopped getting... Well, I guess the reason is because I wasn't uploading, but YouTube stopped giving me notifications about questions and comments. These little tubes they're good. It's good glue, but sometimes I can't stand having to work too hard to get the glue out. So I took the cuticle stick, the just pointed end, and I actually made the hole bigger for the glue to come out of. The nails are really cute. So these are on Amazon, and I believe they're still on sale. I know I got them they were like $5. So it was definitely worth it. They're still there. I will have the link in the information section of this video. They are very cute, really fun for the holidays, New Year's, whatever, or if you just feel like being, fabulous in gold. Those little red gems, like mistletoe on the accent nails, those did pop off after like a day. I think I just looked at them too hard and they just flew off. So they're not very strong. If you have the time and the patience, what I would do, like if you really want these to last longer, I would add a gel top coat to them, or maybe some poly gel or some acrylic, just to kind of give them a little bit more body. They're pretty flimsy. You know, like Kiss has their jelly nails are super thick and durable. You can run them over, but then their other sets are just paper thin. This is kind of like the paper thin set. It's a little hard to see, but the accent nails are gold French tips, which I love. If I could just get a whole set of that, that would be great. I can hardly use my left. I swear my left hand is literally just for show. It's an accessory just to like even me out because I can hardly use it. And for whatever reason, I have always, for 20 years of doing press-ons, I have always started my nails on that hand, which is just like more debilitating. Anywho, they are cute. I recommend them. Thank you guys so much for watching and for sticking around. I appreciate you all so, so, so much. And if you like what you see, please click that subscribe and follow me for more fun videos because I am back.